Number 203, Brad Warden spent 30% of his allowance on snacks, 40% on a book, and had 45 pesos left. How much is his allowance? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer first. So the choices are 150, 180, 120, 200, and 100 pesos. Okay? So we are looking for the allowance. How much is his allowance? So let X be the allowance. Okay? So be the allowance of Brad Warden. Okay? So given 30% of his allowance on snacks. So 30% is spent on snacks. And then 40% on a book. So 40% on a book. And had 45 pesos left. So 45 pesos left. So the allowance, the total of the allowance should be 100%. So if he spent 30% on snacks and 40% on book, so Brad Warden is left with, so the total must be 100%. So that means the 45 pesos left, that is equal to 30%. Because 30 plus 40 plus 30% is equal to 100%. Okay? So now let us form the equation. So we form the equation 30% of X is equal to 45 pesos. So therefore, we have 30% times X. So 30% times X equals 45 pesos. So let us convert 30% to decimal or to fraction. So if we choose fraction, 30% will be converted to 0.30. And 0.30, so that is the same with 0.3. We can cancel the zeros here, the zero here. So we have 0.3. So 0.3 times X equals 45. So divide both sides by 0.3 to solve for X. So divide both sides by 0.3. Therefore, the value of X is 45 divided by 0.3. Since the divisor is decimal, so we need to make the divisor whole number by multiplying by 10 or simply move the decimal point one place to the right. So we do also to the numerator, move the decimal point one place to the right. So therefore, we have, just add 0 here, we have 450 divided by 3. So let's just divide 45 divided by 3 is equal to 15. Just copy the 0. So therefore, the answer is 150, letter A. Okay, so let us check. If 30% of X is 150, so we have, if 45% is 30, if 30% is 45, so we have 45 here, and then another 45 here. And then what is 40%? Let's solve the 40% of 150. So just to verify. So let's solve the 40% of 150. So 150 times 40%. 40% is 0.4. 0.40 or simply 0.4. Okay, so if we multiply this, 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5, we have 20. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2, we have 600. And then we have one decimal place. So therefore, put the decimal here. So we have 60. So if we add this, 5 plus 0 plus 5, we have 0, carry 1. 4 plus 6, so this is 10. Plus 1 plus 4, so we have 150. Okay, so verified. The correct answer is 150, Brad Warden's allowance. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but will share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito na mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.